guys, today I'm going to show you what Salad is and how you can optimize your GPU to run at its fullest potential to be able to make money just while your computer is idle. So anyways, Salad is a program where you can keep your computer idle. When you run the program, you just keep your computer idle and it'll mine for Bitcoin. Mining for Bitcoin, well, it's basically when they mine for Bitcoin, it converts it into USD, which you can use to claim prizes like Discord Nitro Classic and Discord Nitro. So anyways, let's just download Salad now. So basically, it uses the power of your GPU that you're not utilizing as of then, and it uses it so once you download the program, it will automatically detect your graphics card, and with that, the better your graphics card, the more you're going to be making from this program. So let me show you. Download Salad now. Also, if you don't know, Salad's a not very well-known program. Its Discord, I believe, has around, let's see. Well, at least I don't think they have many. They have like 1,000 members last time I checked. Anyways, so Salad setup 0.2.2.exe, and I'll be installing, and I'll be back when it's done installing. Also, while we're waiting, I want to show you that they have a great alpha support. So let me show you. So basically, I asked about so I asked a couple questions to them, and they like had immediate support, and they're really like helpful, and like they responded instantly. It's everything I needed to know, and they're really helpful, to be honest. Alright, let me see. So yeah, also you can check what's supported GPUs, which one, or whether you're supported, or you can look over, if you go back here, you can check if your graphics card is supported from here. So anyways, the staff are really nice. As you know, they're all premium Salad chefs, and yeah. Hold up. So basically, this isn't as well known, this program, but it can really like help boost your way to get to Discord Nitro. Alright, so Salad setup 0.2. Should be running now. Alright, so read through agreement. I've already read through it. Yep, you should read through this, like, definitely. Alright, so basically you have to put it on anyone who uses computers, all users, or else it won't work, I believe, I've heard. So this is basically what I do. Say next. You give permission to save or make changes to your device. Then you read through this. I've read this already also, like last time. So then I hit agree, and then you put your destination folder. I usually just keep it by default, and I install the program. Salad's being installed. Alright, now completing Salad setup. Salad has been installed on your computer. Click finish to close setup. Run Salad. I'm gonna finish. Stupid Windows Defender. Alright. Lol. Alright, so recently added Salad. Alright. So it should usually log you in. So yeah. Anyways, to start, you'd press start, but since I have an incompatible machine, I don't have a GPU, I can't actually mine. So this is actually, let me show you the rewards. They have many rewards. As you can see, Xbox Live, Blizzard gift cards, Overwatch, Hearthstone gift cards, Universal, or EA. Let's see, Discord Nitro. So you can see there's an extra 50 cents to Discord Nitro. So yeah, take your Discord experience to the next level with Discord Nitro. Get global emotes, access to Discord store. Free games and more. This Nitro code expires in 48 hours after Salad sends it to my inbox. So yeah, that's Discord Nitro right there. And I think there's also Classic. If I just scroll down, I might have missed it. Yeah, it's here. So basically, yeah. So as you can see, if you've noticed, there's an extra 25 cents, and there's also an extra 50 cents, I believe, for the regular Nitro. Yeah. The reason why they do this is so they can make profit and their investors back them up. That's how they're able to pay for this. So yeah, basically from that, that's how you can get money or more like money from referrals or just running this when you're offline. So typically it takes probably, when you get a referral, you just click create referral, you give it an email address. So basically, if they hit 5,000 XP, that will this will activate. So here we go. So right now I'm at less than 5 XP, 0%, because I can't start this program. It's alright for me though. I'm probably gonna get a GPU soon. So anyways, you can create money with referrals, and you have to have them be active. And just to let you know, it probably takes about 3.5 days to get, like, or non-stop to get the XP, and 5 USD. So that's what I've heard, 2 to 5, I think. So I'll have to check. Anyways, you can get a lot of these rewards, like, and there's proof on their server. Let me show you. So basically, where was it? I just saw it. Fresh redemptions. So you can see other people redeemed Discord Nitro Classic, different ones. So basically, so many people have actually got Nitro from this. And yeah, they made a bunch, make a lot every single day. So yeah, this program is 100% legit. If you want to check out the Discord server, I'll link in the description. And yeah, if you ever need help, they'll be active. They have active support. So all you have to do is just post your question, and they'll be addressed. This is feedback as well. So anyways, that's about it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And also, just good luck to you all. Hope you have fun shopping Salad. See you all later. Goodbye.